So installation was really simple. Once you remove the other doorknob, then you just put everything together. It does have a installation guide or kit that if you need to make a new cut or anything like that, you can, but it's literally as simple as just putting everything together. And then it does require AAA batteries. Once you get that going, there is an app with it. This is adding the doorknob to the app. It goes off of Bluetooth. You can change the name to it if you have it on your front door, back door, inside door, what have you. This is how you can control it from the app. You can lock it and unlock it. You'll get a Bluetooth notification when that happens. You can access and put a temporary code in. It gives you a log to show you who has utilized the door. You can also create different scenes, if you will, of when you leave the house, it'll automatically lock. So after it's all said and done, there's 3 different ways that you can get in. There's a key that you can get into. You can type in a code if you have one, or it has fingerprint that you can just and then go in.